nasa list ko na ang sports locks, and I'm starting to love it.
And we have Daryl trying to thank for introducing you to them. That
Yes,
kind of
thanks,
trend.
Ate Darren!
All
And
right.
BJ!
And BJ, of course. All right, so I want to ask you this. Now, the shoes can make or break an outfit. Everybody knows that. And people, especially your fans, look at your OOTDs. Now, what kind of shoes are you into? Are you a flats or a heels kind of girl?
I think ang hirap yan sagutin because any girl parang lahat tayo important talaga yung shoes, right? Especially ngayon sa mga guys din. But for me, siguro it depends on my mood. And usually on a normal day, I would prefer wearing ballet flats, sneakers, anything comfy. But for my work, syempre, may wedge, we have pumps, and something na iba. So, it depends on my mood. Ang hirap pumili.
Okay, so one last question is, what advice can you give all your fans out there when they're, their outfits ready and they're choosing their shoes? What piece of advice can you give your fans out there in terms of choosing the right footwear?
When it comes to choosing the right footwear, of course, the number one rule siguro when buying a shoe, important talaga yung comfortable ka. Something na may represent yung personality mo, hindi yung